Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and we are just going to get right into it. I'm starting off with my kitchen, and we got a whole lot to clean. It's not a long video, but it's definitely going to be a whole lot of cleaning motivation, so I hope you guys are ready.
You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily, but you're still here with me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me.
Motivated, especially when I'm trying to pay attention to my kids because school's almost over and with the baby and everything. But I am working on a whole bunch of videos so I can get back to being consistent.
Just like night and day, and that is fine by me, 'cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other. Try to break it off, but return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you.
And I'm just starting off with trying to dust my house. I am trying to keep up with it, but that's one thing that I'm having a hard time with keeping up with is dusting. But you'll see within a couple of videos I am going in on dusting everything and really trying hard to keep up with it.
Everything
this spray bottle for the Windex was really getting on my nerves. It was broken and I was still trying to use it hard. It just definitely was not working. You'll see, I'll just start dumping it out and wiping and cleaning.
Wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
To leave you guys here. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation. I know it was just me kind of like dusting and doing my kitchen, but I got some stuff clean and I hope you did too. I will see you guys in the next video on Wednesday. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.